Listín Diario editorial for March 16th of 2022. Landlords versus tenants. The problems between landlords and tenants of real estate are never end and will continue as the country does not have a precise and clear law defining the rights of one and the other in the contractual relationship. There are many injustices for this cause, because the last instance, which are the courts in charge of the complaints and appeals, take time to rule, thus prolonging the conflicts between owners and tenants. Sometimes they end in painful tragedies or give rise to a kind of war to the death between the actors. But in general, the result in intricate and long processes in which a peaceful or harmonious conciliation rarely occurs. Fortunately, the Constitutional Court has made a few repairs to the old tenancy law to prevent the property right from being harmed or ignored in the contractual relationship. An eloquent example of this was given yesterday in a report on the case of a humble lady who has been litigating in court for 5 years so that the tenant pays her rent and, of course, leave the property. But like hers, there are thousands of daily cases that occurred not only among insolvent tenants in humble areas, but also in high-end residential areas, which indicates that the problem is general. Why don't the Dominican congressmen pay attention to this source of conflicts between citizens by approving modern legislation that equally protects the rights of each other and avoids the disagreements and cheating that usually occurred in contracts? For Listín Diario, voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez.